Although soil moisture can be measured by sampling the soil, what we call a direct method, or with an indirect method, in example, the use of soil moisture sensors, direct methods are rarely used because they are intrusive, labor-intensive, and don't provide the immediate feedback needed for irrigation.
Many indirect methods exist for measuring soil moisture content. These methods measure soil moisture content by a calibrated relationship with soil electrical properties or tension.
The suitability of each method depends on several issues, such as cost, accuracy, response time, installation, management, and durability.
There are two general categories of sensors used to measure soil water status. The first is tensiometric, such as tensiometers, and the second is volumetric, used to measure volume of water in a volume of soil.
The readings from both types of sensors can be related through what we call the soil water characteristic curve. Please keep in mind that this relationship is specific for each soil. Please visit the website or contact your local extension office for additional information.
An advantage of the volumetric sensors is that once they're installed and properly calibrated, they don't require much maintenance. A potential disadvantage is that they could be expensive.
Tensiometers have been around for a long time. They are simple and well understood. A potential disadvantage is that since they are water-based, they require frequent maintenance, especially in coarse texture soils or dry weather conditions.
Some of these sensors have been adapted for automatic irrigation control. Let's go take a look at some of these on our research project. Here we have an example of bypass irrigation control, where valve 1 has 5 minutes left to run. However, the soil moisture controller is set at 7% threshold and is reading 8%, indicating there's adequate moisture to bypass this irrigation event.
You can see in the gauge that the pressure is at 0, which means that in fact the irrigation is not going on in that valve.
Bypassing scheduled irrigation events can save a significant amount of water by matching irrigation with plant needs.
Irrigation technology is changing quickly. What we want to present to you is the principle. Please visit the website for additional information on many of the sensors available today.